Here's how to go ahead and create a group on Facebook Messenger. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch the Facebook Messenger application on your mobile device. Log into your account, and to form a group, you need to tap on the pencil or the edit icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now select group chat option. Then search for specific people that you want to add in your group. Then tap on next in the top right corner of your screen and name your group. Once done, tap on create, which is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner, and you'll be done. Now you can send messages in your group. You can also send stickers or send medias in the group You can also tap on this plus icon and then create AI images. Use Meta AI, send files, play games, location, and poll. You also have the option to do a voice call or video call from the top of the screen. And you can tap on this eye icon over here and then see the chat members, also set the quick reaction, and go through other different options available over here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.